Hello, good morning to everyone. I am Meghana Mirachkar, studying first year B.Ed in KLS Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. First, I would like to wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Today we are celebrating 152nd Jayanti of Mahatma Gandhi. Here I am giving a small gist about the history of Mahatma Gandhi and his part in the freedom. In the year 1869, October 2, Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar, India. He was the youngest child of the Prime Minister of Porbandar. In the year 1876, at the age of 7, Gandhi begins to become aware of the fault and unfairness of the India caste system. And in the year 1883, Gandhi married Kasturi Bai Makanji through his parents' arrangements, and they had four sons. In the year of 1888, at the age of 19, Gandhi moved to London to study the law. In the year 1896, while in South Africa, Gandhi was thrown off a train and beaten by the white South Africans by traveling in the first class section. This began his campaign to passive resistance to protest the mistreatment of colored people by white Europeans. From 1896 to 1914, Gandhi led a number of non-violent protests fighting for improvements in the treatment of minority Indians in South Africa. He was imprisoned a number of times but did succeed in getting the British government to repeal some democratic law. In the year 1915, Gandhi returns to India at the age of 45. He receives a hero's welcome and continues his non-violent protest against the mistreatment and discrimination of Indians. In 1919, the Amritsar massacre, 15,000 people gathered to demonstrate peacefully. Shortly after they began to gather, British General Reginald Dare orders his troops to open fire on the crowd. This act of violence leaves 400 people dead and 11,000 wounded. In the year 1920, Gandhi became president of All India Home Rule League, which is also called as AIHRL, which worked towards independence from the British Empire. Soon the AIHRL begins to boycott British made cloth, bringing their own cloth instead. During the year 1925 to 1928, during this period of time, Gandhi travelled throughout India giving speech on social reform. In the year 1930, next he protested against the English salt tax. Gandhi and many followers marched to coast of Dandi. There he picked up a lump of salt which was strictly forbidden by the government. Even though Gandhi's actions were non-violent, the British government reacted violently. Many people were beaten, killed, or sent to jail. In the year 1930, the first round table conference met in London to discuss the possibilities of Dominion states for India. However, no Congress members such as Gandhi were invited to attend. In the year 1931, Gandhi was named Man of the Year by Time magazine. This was an incredible feat for him because he believed that people around the world were finally starting to hear his message of nonviolence. The second Roundtable Conference in London was held in 1931. This time the delegates included Hindus, Christians, Muslims, princes, and landowners, but no delegates representing peasants and untouchables. So Gandhi appointed himself to his position, creating much resentment among the British. In the year 1932, Gandhi began a fast unto death to protest British action of Indians lowest caste untouchable. In August 15, 1947, Gandhi realized his long sought after goals, which was the independence of India from Great Britain. It was bittersweet victory for Gandhi because along with India's independence came the partition of the country into two separate states, Muslim-based Pakistan and Hindu-based India. He thoroughly opposed this participation. Gandhi did not take part in the celebration of Indian Independence Day. In January 30, 1948, Nathuram Godse, a fanatic Hindu, assassinated Gandhi while he is walking to a prayer meeting in New Delhi. His death shocks the whole. This is a brief introduction about the Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you, one and all.